Good morning. Today we are doing class 10 mathematics exercise 7.1. Okay, coordinate geometry. Right. Question number 1. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Number 1 2, 3, 4, 1. Number 2 -5, 7, -1, 3. Number 3 a, b and minus a, minus b. Alright, so how to find the distance between the 2 points? Let me solve one by one. I have already given the formula of distance between the 2 points. So number 1, here x1 equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, okay, x2 equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. Therefore the required distance, what is the distance formula? I gave you like this: root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, you put the value of x2 value of x2 is 4 minus value of x1 is 2, you put plus y2 value of y2 is 3 and value of y2 is 1, not 3, sorry, value of y2 is 1, okay, and y1 is 3. Alright, 4 minus 2 is your 2 square, 3 minus 1 is your 2, 3 greater negative, so negative sign to put, 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 4, power is even, so this negative become positive. Okay, so 4 plus 4 we can write like this, no, 4 into 2, same meaning. Okay, 4 into 2 is your 8, 4 plus 4 also 8. So square root of 4 is 2 and we cannot find the square root of 2. Square root of 4 is 2 and we cannot find the square root of 2, so it will remain as it is. This is the answer. Now solution to question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Solution same as before. Here x1 equal to minus 5, y1 equal to 7, x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 3. Okay, therefore the required distance equal to formula root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Alright, put the value of x2, value of x2 is minus 1 minus value of x1 is minus 5, so within bracket we will write like this, whole square, plus value of y2 is 3 minus y1 7. Okay, root over minus 1 minus into minus plus 5, 7 minus 3 is your 4, 7 is greater than negative 4. Alright, root over 5 minus 1 is your 4, 5 is greater than positive, 4 4 is 16, equal to root over same 4 4 is 16 plus 16. Okay, both are 16 16, so same we can write like this, 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4 and we cannot find the square root 2, so it will become root 2. Okay, now solution to question number 3. Okay, solution here x1 equal to a, y1 equal to b, x2 equal to minus a, y2 equal to minus b. Therefore the required distance equal to same formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Put the value of x2 here. Value of x2 is minus a, minus value of x1 is a whole square, y2 value minus b, y1 b whole square, minus a, both are negative, so to add minus a minus twice a whole square, minus b both are minus, minus twice b whole square. Okay, root over 2 to the 4 a square, power is even, so negative become positive. 2 to the 4 b square, power is even, negative become positive. Now what to do? We have to take common. 4 is common, so a square plus b square remain. Square root of 4 is 2, a square plus b square remain. Okay, we cannot find the square of a square plus b square. So one example question I am doing, okay, and this is the last question for today. So that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of a square. How to check that these points are the vertices of a square? In my first class I gave you some notes, okay, like this. 4 points a, b, c, d will be a square if AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. That means all the sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Clear? So let me show you how to check. So first we'll that let A 1, 7, B 4, 2, C minus 1, minus 1 and D minus 4, 4 be the 3, sorry, be the not 3, 4 points, okay, sorry, not 3, sorry, be the okay, be the 4 points, be the 4 points, okay, be the 4 points. Now we have to find A, B, B, C, C, D and D. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, okay. That means you see the figure, no need to draw figure, okay, just I am showing you in graph. We have to show that this figure A, B, C, D, whether it is square or not. To prove that this figure is square, we have to prove AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA and diagonals are also equal. That one we prove. Okay. So this diagram is not necessary. Just I am showing you. So first we have to find AB. Therefore AB means distance between A and B. Distance formula. Here B is in second place, so coordinate of B will be your x2, y2, A will be your x1, y1. Okay. So formula, directly I am applying formula. X2 means 4, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. 4 minus 1 is your 3 square, 7 minus 2 is your 5. This is greater than minus 5. 3 3 is a 9, 5 5 is a 25. Add it, you will get root over 34. Okay, again you have to find BC now. BC, same as before, BC. Root over BC means distance between B and C. So coordinate of C will be your x2, y2, B will be your x1, y1. Okay, formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over, both are negative, you add it, it is minus 5, this square, this one, both are negative, you add minus 3 square. Okay, 5 5 the 25, power even so plus, 3 3 the 9, power even so plus, so it is equal to 34. Okay, again you need to find CD now, same as before, CD equal to root over, compare C and D. The coordinate of D will be your x2 y2, C will be your x1 y1. Okay, so formula x2 minus x1, x1 means minus 1 whole square. Okay, plus y2, y2 means 4 minus y1 means minus 1. Okay, compare C and D. Minus 4 minus into minus plus 1 whole square, 4 minus into minus plus 1 whole square, 4 minus 1 is your 3, this is greater, so minus 3, 4 plus 1 5 square, 3 3 is a 9, power even so plus, 5 5 is a 25, 25 plus 9 equal to 34. Now DA, okay, DA to find DA, you compare D and A like before. The coordinate of A will be your x2 y2, A will be your x1, also D will be your x1 y1. Alright, so coordinate of D, A will be your x2 y2, coordinate of D will be your x1 y1. So x2 means here 1 minus 4 plus y2 means 7 minus y1 means 4. Okay, square root over 1 minus plus 4 whole square, 7 plus 4 3 square, 1 plus 4 5 square, 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25 plus 9 equal to 34, root over 34. Okay, so you got all the sides AB, BC, CD equal. Now we have to find diagonals AC, 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 same as before. Distance between A and C, the coordinate of C will be your x2 y2 and A will be your x1 y1. Compare C and A. Okay, so here x1 means x2 means minus 1 minus x2 means 1. Okay, square plus x2 means minus, sorry, y2 means minus 1 and y1 means 7. Alright, both are negative, add minus 2 square will get, also both are negative, add you will get minus 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4, power even so positive, 8 8 is 64, power even so positive, 64 plus 4 it is 68. And lastly again you have to find BD and BD, same formula, distance between B and D. Here D is in second place, so the coordinate of D will be your x2 y2, B will be your x1 y1. Okay, formula x2 means here minus 4 minus x1 means 4, x2 minus, formula minus, this is x1 means 4. Okay, plus then y2 means 4 minus 2, y1 means 2. Alright, both are minus 8, it will be minus 8, 4 minus 2 is your 2 square, 8 8 the 64, power even so positive, 2 2 the 4, it is your 64, root over, sorry, not 64, so 68, root over 68, 64 plus 4 68. Okay, so how to write now? Therefore, so since since AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that means all the sides are equal, and AC equal to BD. AC equal to BD means diagonals are also equal. So alright, diagonals are also equal. Therefore, how will write? Therefore, the points, which are the points what we have taken? The points A 1,7, B 4,2, C -1, -1, and D -4,4 are the vertices of a square, Okay, and this is the last question.